Hey, what's going on, Mopar family? Or any car guy for that matter. I got some parts here from Summit Racing Equipment, and I just want to show you what I got for the Charger. So here we go. As you can see, it's a Flowmaster part, so it's definitely something for the exhaust. Got some, ordered some Flowmaster exhaust tips. Just want to try something different. I'm gonna get rid of them standard fake tips they got on the rear valence from the factory. Try these and see how they look. I mean, I think the car looks good as it is, but I want to try something different, and I think these look a little bit better. I didn't pick Flowmaster or anything for any particular reason, but I just looked online for something that would fit, that I could clamp on there and not have to weld it. That way I could just put them on myself. So I went ahead and thought about doing the rear valence like the SRPs and the Scats got, with the Pursuit rear valence. I'm just doing the single tips, but thought the quad tips would look good for now, and I can just use the valence that I got on the car already. So this is what I found in the size I wanted, so that's what I went ahead and got. I think they're $60 a piece or $65 a piece from Summit Racing Equipment, so not too bad. The inner diameter's 2.5 inches because it's 2017. It's got a 2.5 inch exhaust, and they're 3-inch out. So if you like them, give me a like and comment and let me know what you think about them. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.